Hello, everybody. Good morning to each one of you. So, in the last module of this chapter, that is the unit number 9, the freedom movement of 1857, what we have seen is the different reasons which are responsible for this revolt or an outbreak of Indian different communities on the British East India Company. Now you have already read that they came as a trader, then they started ruling the regions of the different regions of the India, and for that they have uh, used the different policies. Okay, now this all we have done it. Now how this revolt has been planned and where the revolt has outbreak first. So the revolt was planned to begin across the nation on the 31st May 1857. And the leaders who were mainly involved in these are Nana Sahib Peshwa, Bahadur Shah Zafar, Kunwar Singh, Nawab of Awadh joined the hands with the Tatya Tope. Tatya Tope was a commander-in-chief of Nana Sahib Peshwa. Rangu Bapuji has been appointed as a main planner for this revolt. Then Azimullah Khan, who was also a lawyer and a journalist, was has was appointed as a lead revolt. He was a man who has the responsibility to lead this revolt. Means जैसे हम क्लास में किसी को मॉनिटर बनाते हैं ना, कोई चीज में किसी जो आदमी पहले कोई काम स्टार्ट करता है या जिसके ऊपर ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है दैट ही हैज टू स्टार्ट और सी हैज टू स्टार्ट, दैट इज कॉल्ड द लीड रोल. Okay, so the lead person who has to lead this revolt was the Azimullah Khan. Then there were the two symbols kept for this revolution, lotus and roti, so that British don't come to know about the planning of this revolt. And these symbols were used to inform the civilians and the soldiers regarding this revolt. Bards, Hindus, Muslims, and there were many messengers who played a vital role to spread these revolt among the different sections of the society. So this is how there was a planning about this result from the different communities. But how did this revolt broke out? Now you have already, many of you have heard this name Mangal Pandey. He was the first soldier, or you can also say he was the first revolutionary freedom fighter of India. Okay. Now, who was a Mangal Pandey? Mangal Pandey was the soldier in the British Army. Okay, he was the first who protested to the Britishers that he will not use the cartridge which is greased with the cow fat, as it was considered as a sin in the Hindu religion. Okay, and in the cartridge of that Enfield rifle, the fat of cows and pigs both were used to grease, and which is forbidden for both Hindus and Muslims. Now, Mangal Pandey was born in the Brahmin family on the 19th July 1827 in the Naugaon village of Uttar Pradesh. He joined the British Army at ₹7 as his salary. He opposed, or you may say he refused, to follow the order of using the Enfield rifle and challenge the British officers. उसने सिर्फ ये एनफील्ड राइफल चलाने से मना नहीं किया, उसने ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर को चैलेंज भी किया सामने से. एंड व्हाट इट रिजल्टेंट, अ सार्जेंट मेजर वेसन ऑर्डर्ड टू अरेस्ट हिम. तो जो ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर्स था, इंडियन सोल्जर्स होते थे, यू हैव ऑलरेडी आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू कि वो छोटे छोटे अथॉरिटीज में होते थे, पोस्ट में होते थे, और बड़े पोस्ट पे कौन होते थे? सारे ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर्स। तो जैसे ही मंगल पांडे अपोज्ड दैट वो एनफील्ड राइफल नहीं यूज करेगा और ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर्स को चैलेंज भी करता है कि वो उसे फोर्स नहीं कर सकते हैं, उसके खिलाफ वो रिबेल कर देता है, तो सार्जेंट मेजर वेसन क्या ऑर्डर देते हैं? टू अरेस्ट द मंगल पांडे। बट एज मंगल पांडे वॉज ब्राह्मीण, अदर Hindu soldiers or the Indian soldiers opposed this order of the British, कि क्योंकि मंगल पांडे एक ब्राह्मण है इसलिए बाकी जितने भी हिंदू या मुस्लिम्स हैं वो उसको अरेस्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं। The Indian soldiers refused to use these bullets and revolted against the British. अब क्या होता है कि जैसे ही मंगल पांडे मना कर देते हैं तो बाकी इंडियन सोल्जर्स को ऑर्डर देते हैं कि मंगल पांडे को पकड़ो, बट अदर इंडियन सोल्जर्स आल्सो रिवोल्टेड। नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड? फर्स्ट they what Britishers has done, they have cornered the Mangal Pandey and arrested him. Then only for the purpose to know about this revolt or how much magnificent this revolt is, they have done the trial of the Mangal Pandey in the British military court and then sentenced him to the death. And on the 8th April 1857 he was hanged at 5:30 a.m. in the morning, and that's why this is also called the first war of independence. Now this revolt of the Mangal Pandey started on the 10th May. This you have to remember. And what was the planning that all were making was the 31st May. So revolt has had outbreak before its time. Now as per the planning done by the different communities, there were the different main centers and the leaders were appointed. In the Barakpur it was Mangal Pandey, okay. Then in Jhansi it's Rani Lakshmibai, Lucknow Begum Hazrat Mahal, then Kanpur Nana Sahib, Bareilly Khan Bahadur Khan, Bihar Kunwar Singh, and Delhi Bahadur Shah Zafar. So these are the important centers and their leaders. Now as the soldiers ran away from the Meerut and they all reached to the Delhi in the morning of the 11th May. They could capture the Delhi with the help of the Indian soldiers present there. वो चाहते तो दिल्ली को कैप्चर कर लेते, बट दे कन्विंस द 80-year-old बहादुर शाह जफर, लेकिन उन्होंने 80-year-old बहादुर शाह जफर को बोला कि वो उनके लीडर बन जाएं and become the from Delhi he overtook the leadership of this revolt. This news infused a new life in the revolt. और जैसे ही बहादुर शाह जफर ये जो सोल्जर्स होते हैं उसका ये प्रपोजल जब वो एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हैं, देन दिस स्प्रेड्स द हैप्पीनेस अमंग ऑल द अदर लीडर्स एंड द मेनी रीजन्स ऑफ द इंडियन जॉइंड दिस रिवोल्ट. इस कारण से रिवोल्ट जल्दी आउटब्रेक हो जाता है, लेकिन फिर भी जो अदर रीजन में जो लीडर्स होते हैं, जिन लोगों ने प्लानिंग कर ली होती है, दे ऑल joined the revolt earlier only. Now in the Kanpur, Nana Sahib broke the revolt on the 4th June 1857 and Nana Sahib Peshwa was asked to assume the leadership of the revolt. However, they had surrendered. Nana Sahib ने 4th June 1857 को रिवोल्ट ब्रिटिश के अगेंस्ट स्टार्ट किया, बट soon they all had to surrender. क्यों? Because British had surrounded them, and after the 22 days of the shortage of the food and water and the continuous struggle with the British army, they all get seized, and because of that they have to surrender. Other part means in the Bihar, Kunwar Singh, who was a leader over there for this revolt. So Patna and Jagdishpur were the main center of the revolt in the Bihar. Kuwar Singh was a 70-year-old landlord. He fought very bravely with the Britishers. But during this fight, his arms got shot. उसके जो आर्म्स होते हैं उसमें क्या होता है, गोली लग जाती है. एंड एज दिस गोली लगती है, सो क्या होता है कि उसका जो वुंड होता है वो बाकी जगह पे भी स्प्रेड होने लगता है. ओके, तो टू अवॉइड दैट वो क्या करते हैं कि अपने एल्बो से अपने हाथ को काट देते हैं. ही chopped his hand from the elbow and offered it to the river Ganga. He freed Jagdishpur from the British before he died. अब दिल्ली में बहादुर शाह जफर ज्यादा कुछ कर नहीं पाते हैं एंड ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर्स गॉट हिम कैप्चर्ड. ओके, तो वहां पे रिवोल्ट फेल हो जाता है. देन इन द कानपुर ऑल्सो यू हैव सीन द नाना साहेब की जो आर्मी होती है वो वंडरफुली लड़ती है, बट ड्यू टू द शॉर्टेज ऑफ द वाटर एंड द फूड they also surrender. But in the Bihar, Kuwar Singh died, but he got a bit of the success that वो जगदीशपुर को फ्री करवा देते हैं ब्रिटिश के डायरेक्ट कंट्रोल से. ना कम टू द झांसी. Sorry. The Queen of Jhansi, Lakshmi Bai, was a great warrior. British actually didn't allow the Lakshmi Bai to allow his adopted son as the heir to the throne, and this is the reason why Lakshmi Bai also joined this revolt. She had also prepared the women army to fight against the British. They also fought very bravely against the British, but they also didn't get the success. Queen Lakshmi Bai was one of the greatest woman leader in this revolt of the 1857. Now, तात्या तोपी. Who was तात्या तोपी? मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया. He was a commander in chief of Nana Sahib Peshwa. Now, however, he was able to escape from Kanpur, and soon he became and he was one who actually make this revolt to be continued against the Britishers up to the 2 years. He skillfully fought to free the Kanpur, playing the role of the commander for the first time in his life. For the next 2 months also, he played a very major role in the revolt across the country, and no one in his time had fought as many battles he did. तात्या तोपे ने ब्रिटिश के अगेंस्ट जितनी भी लड़ाई लड़ी थी उस टाइम 1857 के रिवोल्ट में, उतना बाकी कोई और लीडर्स नहीं लड़ पाए थे. And he also gets success to free the Kanpur afterward. Now the soldiers from the different part of India have joined this revolt. From North India, it's Bareilly, Banaras, Allahabad, Agra, Azamgarh, Gorakhpur, okay, Ajmer, Nasirabad, and Abu from the Rajputana and the Gwalior side also. Mandsaur, Indore, Dhar from the central part of the India. Satara, Kolhapur, Savantwadi, Nargad, Dharwad, etc. become active in the south. However, these centers were scattered. लेकिन ये इतने सारे centers इंडिया के अलग अलग regions में थे. And also they all didn't revolt against the British at a time. तो इस वजह से क्या होता है कि British get the time to scattered them. Okay, इस रिवोल्ट को स्कैटर करने के लिए ब्रिटिश को इसीलिए टाइम मिल जाता है बिकॉज दिस ऑल द रिवोल्ट डिडंट स्टार्टेड एट अ प्लान्ड टाइम. ओके, अभी हम नेक्स्ट मॉड्यूल में देखेंगे स्पेशली इन गुजरात हाउ दिस रिवोल्ट आउटब्रेक एंड व्हाट वाज इट्स कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल फॉर टुडे. Regarding any query, you can post your question in my WhatsApp. Okay, goodbye.